To create your international TikTok account, click on the arrow down button at the top. Click on Add Account. Click on your country, in this case Ghana, and you have to search for United Kingdom and select it. Click on Continue with Google. Select the email that you want to use to create your TikTok account. Here, enter your date of birth and click on Next. Enter your name over here and click on Confirmed. Congratulations, you have just created your brand new TikTok account. Now it's time for you to link your email to your TikTok account. Here, enter your email and click on Send Code. Check your email inbox for the verification code. Here, enter a strong password and click on Next. Now the moment you have all been waiting for you to check whether your account is actually an international account or local account, click on your balance and you see the international currency symbol there, in this case euro. You can also click on the creator tools icon and you see the creator rewards program over there, meaning that this is actually a foreign or international account. What this means is that you actually start earning money from your uploads when you meet the requirement, which is the 10,000 followers. You will start actually generating money from your video views, not the live stream but the actual video views. You start generating money from it. But let me remind you that there are certain requirements that you need to meet before you'll be accepted into the creator rewards program. Now let's check the difference between my international account and my local account. Now this is my local account and you can see that in my local account, let's click on the balance and see. So you can see that with my local account, it's my local currency that appears on the balance. Now the problem with the local account is that TikTok creator rewards program is not yet available in my country, which is Ghana. And most African countries too, TikTok creator rewards program hasn't been introduced yet. TikTok creator programs is only available in only a few countries like the United States, United Kingdom, and some other few countries that actually has access to this creator rewards program. So for you to access it, you just have to create your international TikTok account like the way I showed you in this tutorial. So make sure you like and subscribe for more videos just like this.